Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Dubai Pharmacy Journey. Recently, we uploaded one video how to become an assistant pharmacist in Dubai for diploma in pharmacy students. So many bachelor of pharmacy students are comment or message for WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, sir, please make video for pharmacist. How to become a pharmacist in Dubai. So about this comment, we are shoot one videos for 3 or 5 minutes maximum. In that, we will discuss this whole process, how to become a pharmacist in Dubai. So let's start the video. For become a pharmacist, you need to clear a DHA exam. For become a pharmacist, the whole process complete in 3 steps. Like first one, DHA exam. Second one, data flow called document verification, and third one, apply for DHA eligibility later. So this three step it will done in that. So we will discuss shortly. So number one, what is DHA exam? DHA, DHA, it is a prometric exam and online computerized based exam. In that, total 150 questions will come in that. You need to take at least minimum 60%. Okay, I think this is 90 will correct a 90 question for clear the DHA exam. Okay, so after clear DHA exam, the next process is data flow. What is data flow? Data flow, it is a document verification process. The data flow team, they are verified your document and check with your authority who are issue for you, like your university, then your pharmacy council office. This document they will send there and verified from there. Okay. For data flow need 4 documents. Number one, a degree with all year mark sheet. Second one, pharmacy council registration certificate. Third one, experience certificate, and last one, good standing certificate. So good standing certificate you need to apply it from your pharmacy council where your registration available. Okay, and this 4 document need for data flow process. And many students ask a question about experience. Okay, so need minimum 2 year experience for become a pharmacist. Minimum 2 year, maximum 3, 4, 5, no problem. Okay, and many students thinking about experience. So experience count from where? Which date? So for DHA exam, the experience count from your last year mark sheet of the last year mark sheet, which date available there, they are counting from there. Many students are thinking like this. Maybe the experience count from which date available in pharmacy council registration certificate. No, nothing like this. Okay, for DHA exam, they will accept the date mentioned. What date mentioned in your last year mark sheet, they will count from there. Because after complete your degree, you need to take a apprenticeship. This apprenticeship also you can add in that. So they will accept as a experience. So this 4 document need for data flow. Then after data flow done, after your exam done, you need to apply for DHA eligibility letter. So okay. So DHA, what is DHA eligibility letter? You need to complete your exam, then data flow. This 2 report need to send to Dubai Health Authority. They will cross check this all okay or not. After everything okay, they will issue one certificate called DHA eligibility letter. After that, you are eligible for work in Dubai as a pharmacist. Okay, so DHA eligibility letter only for Dubai. If you take a DHA eligibility letter, after that you are eligible for work only in Dubai. Okay, so this is our complete process done in 3 steps. Like first you need to clear DHA exam, second one data flow, and last one applied for DHA eligibility letter. Okay, so you all students know, for exam, for need clear the exam, you need to prepare. You need to make a preparation first. Okay, after that you need to book exam and go for attend your exam. This exam is online MCQ based. They are asking I think 150 question. You need to take at least 90 question correct. Okay, means 60%, minimum 60%, above no issue. So many students are thinking he don't know the for preparation, how we can do preparation, and which academy is best, and which material we are recommended for preparation. So our academy, Dubai Pharmacy Academy, our academy is starting on for offline option available, online option available for Bachelor of Pharmacy, for Pharma D, for M Pharm. Online option also available. Our app also available in Play Store called Dubai Pharmacy Academy app. You can search from there and download. You are there also demo lecture available, and our office also available in Mumbai. So any student are near who are interested for become a pharmacist but they don't have any idea, so contact with our team. We will put our contact number on screen, so you just note this number, and when you free you just message. Our team member will contact you or talk on WhatsApp. Okay, so this whole process are done. Many students are thinking how much starting salary for pharmacists in Dubai. So minimum starting salary for pharmacists 3,500. Okay, minimum. Maximum 4,500, and some chain pharmacies like Life Pharmacy, Esther Pharmacy, Dinsina, these are a group of pharmacies. Okay, so they will give you 5,000. Many students are come from India, and they get 5,000 salary in starting for fresher. Okay, after that when you're after that they will increase your salary also as per your experience. Okay, so this are complete process. I hope this video is good for you.